2025 Dodge Challenger. Electric sports car with classic style and modern performance. Dodge, an American car brand known for its high-powered and muscle cars, will launch its first electric car in 2025. This car is called the 2025 Dodge Challenger, which is a tribute to the legendary Dodge cars that once ruled the streets in the 1960s and 1970s. The 2025 Dodge Challenger will have an eye-catching design, with a square nose similar to the classic Charger, round headlights and a signature triangular Fratzog logo. This car will also have a wide body which gives a dashing and sporty impression. However, don't be fooled by the retro appearance, because under the hood there is sophisticated and environmentally friendly electrical technology. This car will use the STLA Large platform from Stellantis, Dodge's parent company, which can accommodate a 101 to 118 kWh battery with a range of up to 500 miles. This car will also be equipped with at least 2 electric motors, each of which can produce up to 443 horsepower. Thus, the total power that this car can produce can reach almost 900 horsepower, or even more if Dodge adds an additional electric motor. With that much power, the 2025 Dodge Challenger will be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in less than 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric cars in the world. Apart from that, this car will also have advanced features such as a touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone connectivity and driver assistance technology that can increase the comfort and safety of the driver and passengers. Dodge will produce just 300 examples of the 2025 Dodge Challenger as a special edition to mark the end of production of the V8-powered car. This car will be sold at a fairly high price, but it is not yet known exactly how much. For Dodge car fans, this car will be a very valuable and interesting collection item. The 2025 Dodge Challenger is proof that Dodge doesn't want to be left behind in the electric car competition, while also showing that electric cars don't have to sacrifice style and performance. This car is a perfect blend of the past and the future, which will amaze car lovers.